Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use one of the best apps for e-commerce, as I'll be showing you step by step how to use Wisernotify. Wisernotify is the perfect app to increase your social proof on your e-commerce store. It will help you to increase your sales and also collect more leads. As you can see on the bottom right hand corner of my screen, you see a pop-up right here. A marketer from France is checking out the Wisernotify app. So this is social proof. It can show that numerous persons are visiting your site. And for example, if you have an e-commerce store, so let's say you have a fashion e-commerce store. If I were to go to their user case and select fashion, have you ever visited an e-commerce store and you see a pop-up that you can see right here, item is trending, 7 sold in the last minute or so on, or you can see right there how many persons have recently viewed the item. This, my people, is social proof, and social proof will help to increase your conversions. For example, I recently went onto google.com and I typed in, does social proof increase sales? And you can see social proof makes it more likely that people will patronize your business, and it definitely will help to boost your conversion rate, ultimately driving more sales or more leads. I also stumbled across this article from Opt-in Monster. And Opt-in Monster is a software that builds pop-ups, so they are definitely a good source to collect information, or better yet to do surveys about these things. And you can see right here with social proof tools like Trust Plus, you'll be able to boost your conversion rate by up to 15% or more. And you'll be able to do that with Wisernotify, and you can get started completely free. So all you'll need to do is go onto wisernotify.com. Then from there, you're going to tap on try for free in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. Once you have entered your email address and you have created a password, you will be able to choose the industry that you belong in. So let's say, for example, I were to select e-commerce and retail. After doing that, I'll tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then from here, you can enter your business name and what's the average number of monthly visits you receive. If you don't want to do that, you can simply tap on next. So let me select that right there, less than 1K. Then I'm going to tap on next. Then from here, you can select a plan. So whether you like to use their monthly plan or whichever, you can select it right there. And I'm going to select choose a plan, and I'm going to tap on free. Then I'm going to tap on get started. After you have done that, you are going to tap on, you can see right here, your free plan has been activated successfully. It is now time to install it. So we're going to tap on next step, and it is going to refresh and automatically redirect you to a new page. On this new page, you can choose your role. So I'm going to simply tap right there on finish at the bottom of the page. After you have tapped on finish, you can see the pixel right here that you should add to your website. So to add the pixel, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on integrations. After you have tapped on integrations, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the different apps that you'll be able to integrate Wisernotify with. And all I want you to do is scroll down until you see Shopify, or you see the e-commerce platform that you're using. So whether you're using BigCommerce, Wix, or so on, or eBay, you can select the platform that you're using. But we are using Shopify, so let's scroll down until we see Shopify real quick. After you have found it, we'll tap on next. So let me scroll down real quick and find Shopify. You can see that you can also add it onto PayHip and numerous platforms, as you can see right there. So we're going to tap on connect right at Shopify. Then you'll enter your store URL. So we're going to go into Shopify. From there, you'll need to copy your website URL. And to get your website URL, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, right where you see online store. You're going to tap on view your online store. Then you'll be redirected to a new page, Notify, and you're going to paste it right here. So let's paste in our domain name, and we're going to simply delete the last section right here. So let's remove that. Then we're going to tap on create. You'll be redirected to your Shopify website, and I want you to tap on install app in the top right hand corner. After you have selected install app, you'll be redirected to the Wiser dashboard, as you can see. Now, once on the Wisernotify dashboard, you can create your first goal if you want. So to create your first goal, all you'll need to do now, by the way, this is how your look. You'll be able to see all of the visitors and everything right here from this dashboard. So let me close out of that. So from here you can see it. Now we are going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there now you can tap on social wall. So let's tap on social wall real quick. Like to add a Facebook feed or any form of social feed, you could do that. All you'll need to do is tap on add wall. They also offer you the option to add your RSS feed if you want by selecting add wall right there. And you can see they offer the option of Twitter feed, Instagram feed. You can also add your YouTube playlist if you want. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on add wall. So let's say, for example, Instagram feed. After you have selected that, you can see wall created, and you can see an example of how it looks right there. And to integrate it, all you'll need to do is simply tap on add integration. Then from there, you can select Instagram posts, and you'll simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to start sharing it. You can change your layout by tapping on layout right here. From here, you can choose from the different layout options. So you can tap right here and you'll see the different layout options that you can choose from, and you'll be able to preview it in this section, or you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how it would look. So if I were to tap on preview after I've added it, you'll be able to see it. But since I haven't added my Instagram feed, I won't be able to see it. You can also add pop-ups by tapping on pop-ups. You can also change the appearance. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save and it will be added. But I'm going to tap on exit for now. And if you'd like to also add reviews to your website, you could do that by tapping on add wall in the top left hand corner, then select review wall. From here you can add Google reviews, all-in-one reviews, Facebook reviews, or you can see the different options right there, custom reviews. You could scroll down and you could do that. All you'll need to do is simply tap on add wall. After you have selected add wall, you will see an example of how it looks. And again, you can change the layout from the left hand menu option. And to integrate it, all you'll need to do is tap on integration. Once you have selected integration, you can see right there custom reviews, and you can enter your company name. So let's say, for example, Tess. Then tap on create collection, and you can see right there reviews have been added. If you would like to add reviews, you could tap on add reviews, and from there you could type in the reviewer name. You can also add an image, and from there you can also set up your ratings if you want. So if you want, you could do this manually right here. So that is how you'll be able to add reviews using Wisernotify if you want. And I'll tap on exit right here to exit out of this section. And we're going to go back. So if you would like to add the notification pop-ups, you can do that. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add notifications. Then from there you can see the different options, recent sales, sales count. You can see them right here. So if you would like to add these, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on view designs. For example, you could tap on view designs with this one. And from there you could create a notification. So you could tap on create notification right below it. So let's say we were to tap on create notification, and from there you could add in the name, and you can also enter in your website URL. So let's say, for example, I were to enter in my website URL right there. Then from there I were to tap on create and customize. After you have tapped on create and customize, from here you will see a preview of how to see it right there. You can change the design by going over to the left hand menu option. You can edit the text by tapping on text editor. You can also scroll down, and from there you can edit the icon and the shape if you want. Once you're finished, you can tap on click, and you can choose whether right here you can see the CTA label, so you can change it from green if you want. After you're finished, you'll tap on display from the top menu option. Whether you like it to be displayed on all pages or a specific page, you can choose that. You can also select the website if you would like to add it to a new website. You can also select segmentation. So if you'd like it to only appear for certain countries, when visitors pop up on your website from certain countries, they'll see the pop-up. You can do that right here. After you're finished, you can tap on data source. So let's select data source real quick, and you can see right there our store. So we are going to select that, and then we are going to tap on finish in the top right hand corner. So let's do that real quick, and you can see we want to start showing this notification, and we'll see yes, turn it on. So now we will be able to see a notification to show social proof whenever someone makes a purchase on our store. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.